Police in Dagoretti Nairobi have nabbed a bank consignment of 1.5 million shillings in a bus from Homabay that was bound for Nairobi.
The drugs consignment was headed for Kawangware before the suspects were intercepted. Dagoretti OCPD Rashid Mohammed said they got information from a member of the public that there were 2 passengers in a bus from Homabay en route to Nairobi with a suspicious consignment.
Thereafter, they moved to inspect buses and found the bags full of bhang being offloaded at Udhiro Market. The Dagoretti police chief said the bhang was being taken to a peddler in Kawangware and its environs.